It takes a lot of courage to be an entrepreneur. Are you an entrepreneur? Do you have that kind of courage? Can you follow through? Can you stick with it? Can you persevere even when you're scared? Can you hold off having another child? Can you maybe hold off having a family? Can you make really tough decisions? Well, a lot of times when you go out on your own, it's not easy, right? It's precarious. It takes several years to create your own business, and a lot of businesses fail, even small businesses, right? If you have the courage to do it, terrific, but it's really important to pay attention to little things along the way and to the big things as well. The little things are, what you can do to get your energy up, how you can train your mind, how you can train your focus, how you can get coaching and guidance and mentorship. The bigger things are maybe having a family while you're trying to be the entrepreneur is not the best timing. So maybe you need to have a straight up conversation with your girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever it is. See it? Maybe you need to make tougher decisions that way. All of this is important. So is planning it out, right? Writing down your goals and writing out your path and then tweaking your path and then getting feedback along the way. These are all moving parts of becoming an entrepreneur. If it's in your heart, let's go for it. But remember, you want to have a real solid game plan and you want to be able to be constantly tweaking that plan. Entrepreneurs fail more often than everybody else. That's just the way it is. Hey, I'm Dr. Brett.